Hi. Today I'm just going to share with you what needs to be done in the Texpad applications as that your Java applications can run, so that this becomes your Java note pad or a file text pad file wherein you write your Java programs, compile it and run it. So first thing I would like to share with you is here under the once you download Texpad, uh, go to configure file. In that, see that you have word wrap, these things checked up. Some of the things that it makes sense for you to have the configuration properly. So come to configure and see what needs to be. So under the preferences, you have these things show up like general. What are the general things that can be done over here, which reload last workspace at startup, allow multiple instances to run, all these things that make sense for you to set up. Please see that you check them, that which doesn't make sense, uncheck them. And you can increase the fonts and other stuff under document classes. Let's say you want to, in the Java, you want to increase the font size of all the things that you type. Now let's say the default font is 18, maybe you want it at maybe 12, okay, smaller size, and apply it, and you can actually see that it's working properly. Similarly for all other tools like C++, HTML, Java, JavaScript, and normal text also, you can such fonts, colors, printing, syntax, all these things can be applied. So to this Java, what are the file classes? Star Java and star.java is the one which it applies to. So document classes helps you to configure for which kind of files, what kind of font, different configurations that can be applied on. Now here comes something which in the initial compile Java will, you need to see that the JDK actually is appropriately set up such that when you want to compile, it actually compiles. Okay, and the compilation of any .java file would be like, for example, you have a, let's say you have a file with the .java, okay, star.java. That just let me load it. For example, you want to open up and a file which is under Java. Let's say I have a hello file or something like that. Let's say it is a b1.java file, and this has class b1 and it has a void and it has some sentences within it. So I just wanted to run this. How do I run this is, you need to press Control 1. How do you compile a Java file in Textpad is Control plus 1. Okay, and once you compile it, here it will show that it can compile, or if any errors come, they all show up here in this particular window. Okay, so this particular window will show you whether it compiled or it has errors within it. For example, if I, let's say I remove this semicolon, save it, and then run it. So it exactly tells you where exactly is the error and exit code. So you see that it is taken care, save it, and then again you do a Control 1, compiles. Now how do you run this? How do you run it? So Control plus 2 will do the job. Okay. Okay. Once you run it, say for example I ran with Control F2. Okay. Control 2, not F2, Control plus 2. So this particular screen will come with the output to show. Press any key to continue, it will close up. So this is how you actually uh, interact with Textpad such that you actually be able to run Java programs. So other programs can also be run, as you saw that uh, see that you other programs, you also saw that you can configure them. So basically you need to have a particular JDK running in your system. Only then that it can automatically identify which particular application that it needs to run for when you actually compile and run it. Okay, that's the only thing. So I hope this makes sense. This help you to use Textpad for compiling Java programs. Okay.